In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to use Audition to make a project where you like search for a free backing track, import it into Audition, and then you can sing over it or read a poem over it or whatever you want to do. So let's get started. First, open up Audition. And it says list of audio devices has been changed. Okay, so let's take a look at that. I'm using the Yeti, and it should be default input, yeah, and then USB sound device, sure. Or I could tell it to use the Yeti if I'm going to plug if I'm going to plug headphones into the Yeti, which is probably the way you'd want to go if you were one of my students. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. And so I'll say OK. And then the first thing you need to do is go view multi-track editor. I personally wish it would just open in multi-track. Maybe it'll do it if I click right here. Yeah, so you can also click right there. Give it a name. Experiment. Let's see, maybe I'll call it backing track project. I'll say one because I assume I'll be making more than one. But now I want to go to this PC, C drive. I guess in my downloads. Yeah. Audition projects. Okay, so I'll save it in there. Oh, actually, I should give it the name backing track project 1. Okay, so save into there. Now it knows where to save it. And for you, if you're a student, you'll want to put it in your G drive for sure. And there's specific folders you should put it in, because if you don't put it in an organized location where you know where things are going, you're going to go crazy. Hit OK. And now we've got this view. I want to see the tracks. I don't want to see the mixer. So let me do this. Where is my mixer? I don't even know where my mixer is. I want to see the actual tracks, you see. Yeah, there we go. So instead of the mixer, here's the tracks. So you want to arm one, and now you can see as I speak into the mic, it's registering. So you got to hit the little red R, and if I hit record now, it will record. Where is my record button? Right there. Testing, testing. And so now if you play it back, you can hear testing, testing, you know. So let's go to the internet. Where is my internet window? Thanks, Chrome. Okay, so what we want to do is let's go to YouTube. Let's find some free backing track. Free backing track. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should specify jazz or something. I don't know. You can choose your own style. I wouldn't call jazz my number one choice for styles, but I like to make my own music. So all right, so now we've got, let's say I didn't even get a chance to listen to this yet. Let's assume you like it. Let's go to another window and say YouTube to MP3 converter. There's a bunch of these, and some of them are problematic, I'm sure, but hopefully we'll find one that's not a problem. Let's see. Download. I don't think so. Nope. Free online YouTube to MP3 converter. Let's see. I forget which one I clicked on. I guess we'll go with the top. Free download. I don't want free download. Oh, here it is. So this actually is where you would paste this and hit convert or download. And hopefully this works. Last time I did this, and by the way, you'd want to make sure it's a free backing track, which I'm not entirely sure if this one's actually free. Free jazz download. Yeah, well, make sure whatever you're downloading is actually, you've got the permission to download it. And let's see, here we go, download. So, take a second. All right, so I guess this window popped up and it says video and audio. We just want the audio, so I'm going to go with MP3 right here. I don't know what these are. Download with music downloader. Sounds like something they're trying to, convince you to buy or install. I just want to download it, so I'm going to click that. Feel free to advance the video. I just tried pausing it and waiting till the window popped up. Allow. Audition projects, backing track. Okay, now saving it. Actually, I should have saved it. I didn't see. I was trying to do that too quickly. I guess I better show this in folder, and I want to actually drag and drop it. Well, I should wait till it's done downloading. Come on, internet. Okay, at this point, I think the file has been downloaded. So what we need to do now is go back here, and in Chrome, whatever you download will be listed down at the bottom. So what has worked in the past is you just grab this, because it's stored somewhere on your computer. So if you just mouse over this and drag it in here, hopefully it will bring it in. Yes, looks like it will. That's good news for us. Okay, so now, if we see, I want to switch this audio so my students don't have to listen to it. Now, I guess that's not going to affect this. But anyways, now we have the audio file, and you can record some lyrics or read poetry over it, that sort of thing. And let's see, you might want to go to preferences and see audio hardware, default output. Yes, I'd want to do that. And now I can hear it through my headphones and my Yeti. Or I guess not. It's still giving me trouble. Anyways, that is how I want you to do it. And then just record some audio over it. And that's it for this tutorial.